and this is the Gaylord Resort and Convention Center. So we have 18 floors of guest rooms, 1,600 rooms, convention center spaces, ballrooms, large exhibit hall, all on the same property. Controller Enterprises is responsible for all wet and dry side on the project. We selected the Uponor product for utilization on the chill water and heating hot water risers to all the guest room families. So one of the reasons we utilized Uponor on the guest room risers was the prefabrication capability that you guys have introduced into the marketplace. Utilizing the prefabrication with the Uponor product, it allows for the timeliness of installation. Our installers are able to slide the product directly into place. It really speeds up our installation. It's a no-brainer. It comes to what connection you're making next as we go vertical with the installation. Currently, we're standing on the distribution floor. This is the bottom of our Uponor Prefabrication riser. Above you can see our copper distribution tie-in, or chill water, in our heating hot water risers. That distributes up 5 floors and then bottom down into our 6th floor. So we're now on the next floor up. So you can see the PEX lines coming from below our distribution floor up to our distribution of chill water and heating water, and we continue up to the next floors up. The prefabrication included from this T 9 feet up to the next joint. Coming into the room, we're making 4 joints to complete an installation. But we work with Uponor Engineering to develop our support system. So we use the wall support and a mid-story PEX-a support. Together, these two allowed us to do a single support each floor. So we've used copper on previous projects, and comparing it to Uponor PEX-a, it's a lot lighter. And installation in the field is a lot simpler with being able to handle it with one person. We looked at PEX as a labor savings opportunity, something that's prefabricated that can come out, and we make 4 simple, quick joints in the field and continue on to the next floor. Yeah, I would use Uponor Prefabrication Services again in the future in a project like this.